Hey everybody, thought I'd make a video here real quick. Camping on Cherokee Lake, July 22nd. Got a fire going with some soup beans. In that pot is soup beans, water, chicken broth, canola oil, firewood. Got more firewood on the truck. Kerosene lantern, tent, cooler with drinks, cooler with food. Chair, another chair, got a chair over there. Gonna make some chicken, Sweet Baby Ray's chicken. Gonna make some breakfast burritos with flour tortillas. Gonna make some pancakes, syrup, Sweet Baby Ray's chicken, refried beans, beans and cheese burrito, coffee pot, Coleman stove, cast iron skillet, cast iron pot. Excuse me. Fishing bowls, radio. Got another lantern over there. Out here on the lake, all by myself. Private property, nobody around. I'm the only one out here. In the past, there's been other people out here. There's a camper set up, a pop-up camper just other side of those trees. But for tonight, it's just me on a Thursday night. Sitting here in my little hole here in my chair next to my cooler, my propane tank, my food. So this is the setup, and I'll be back with a fishing video or a cooking video here, and looking forward to making some pancakes. I'm going to have some fried cornbread here in a little while. Shortly I'm going to have some fried cornbread in this iron skillet. Fried cornbread with those soup beans that's on that fire over there. Thank y'all for watching. I'll be back.